Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the Aussie dollar. Right, so the Aussie dollar has been in a very strong uptrend since the lows over here at the first quarter of 2020. It's really reversed and it's sort of did a V-shaped recovery and is pushing higher. So let's quickly look at the daily. Even on the daily, the structure remains the same. Price is making. Okay, price it made a low here, it made a high, it made a higher low, and it's currently making higher highs. So it's a very strong uptrend, and it would be silly if anybody were to trade against it. Okay, so what I want to do is look for intraday opportunities. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Now, on the 1 hour, I really want to focus on this area. All right, before this leg of the movement, okay, initially people thought that this could possibly be a head and shoulders because there was a strong preceding trend, but clearly the head and shoulders pattern is invalidated because price made a high, made a low, made a higher high, higher low, made a higher high. We can expect price to pull back, make a higher low before pushing higher yet again. So if we to combine all, if we to connect all these lower highs with a trend line, all right, try to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle body, and let's just zoom into this area. We see that price is holding above this trend line very nicely, and we'll do a Fibonacci retracement from this last leg, this low to this high before the reversal. Okay, open all Fibonacci ratios. We can expect to see price drift down towards the 50% level over here, right? And this 50% level would therefore be a very nice level for our entry. Actually, it should, to be really exact, somewhere between the 50% retracement and the 61.8 retracement level. Okay, so because that falls in line with the trend line. Okay, so we will just use the 61.8 just because it's a key Fibonacci level, right? And this can therefore be our entry, our buy entry. Okay, and where will our target be? Okay, the first target will always be at the recent swing high, right? That will be the first take profit. All right, and then finally, the final take profit will be at the negative 27.20. All right, so we got two take profit levels. All right, we wait for price to come all the way back down to our entry before going long. Okay, let me just change the color of the arrow. Okay, and now the question remains, where will the stop loss be? All right, stop loss, very simply, there are few options for choosing the stop loss. One is we can either put it just below this trend line. Okay, for me, I would prefer to put the stop loss below the market structure, so somewhere over here. Okay, so this will be the stop loss. Works out to be about a nice 1:2 risk reward trade. Okay, and last but not least, we can also put in the indicators, right? We see price holding very nicely above the moving average, and the MACD indicator is also above zero, showing room for further bullish upside. All right, so that's our trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks for tuning in. Take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again.